Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful display. Today is April 24th and it is my daughter's birthday today, and she has chosen Rapunzel as her birthday theme. Now a lot of these things I already had on hand from my venue, so I am going to try to link some items that are available on Amazon. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to purchase anything on Amazon because there was a lot of delivery delays, so I had to do a lot of them by hand. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So we have Flynn Rider, we have the tower with some hair, we have Rapunzel. I do have some candy jars as well as just a small little cake. I do have my wooden cylinders. I have a pink table, I have some goodie bags, some cupcakes, and a lizard, just green grass. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna show you guys how I display this.